Students, welcome to Max class. Today we are going to discuss the topic is Introduction to Trigonometry. Trigonometry means the triangle plus geometry. By using right triangle and geometry, here we can find out that height of the building, height of the tree, and distance, slant height, and angles. Students will discuss trigonometry ratios. So by using these ratios, we can find out that height, distance, slant height, and that angle. Here we are going to use some ratios, okay, to find height, distance, and slant height and angles. So students, you must know about this one. So already we discussed about these things in Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so see here, which is the longest side and which is opposite to right angle. That side is called hypotenuse side. Okay, at the same time, which corner you are taking angle. Okay, for example, here I took this angle. That means which is opposite to this angle, that is opposite side, and which is nearby, that is adjacent side. In case if I am taking this angle here, for example, if I'm taking the angle here, I denoted that angle name is A. That means here which is opposite side, this adjacent is opposite side. That means which is adjacent side, this opposite side is adjacent side. But hypotenuse is same. Okay, so which is opposite to right angle, that is hypotenuse. Students, let's discuss some ratios of trigonometry. So the first one is sine theta. So sine theta means opposite by hypotenuse. So here I took the angle. So which is opposite? This is opposite and this is hypotenuse. Okay. So sine theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So the ratio is opposite by hypotenuse. For which one? That sine theta. At the same time, we will discuss later about this sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Okay, for what purpose we took. So now you try to know that the ratio of trigonometry. So first one is sine theta. That sine theta means opposite divided by hypotenuse. Okay, so the ratio of opposite divided by hypotenuse, we can say that sine theta, that is name. Okay, so the ratio of opposite by hypotenuse's name is, we can take sine. Okay, here the angle, so whatever 30 40 whatever. Okay, so here you represent theta is represent as angle. And the next one is adjacent by hypotenuse, the ratio between adjacent and hypotenuse denoted as cos theta. Actually, that full name is cosine theta. So here we called short form cos theta, COS. And the next one is the ratio between opposite and adjacent. So ratio between opposite and adjacent sides is tan theta. The full form is tangent theta. So that short form is tan theta. So the ratio between opposite by adjacent. Students, first you must know these three ratios. First, opposite by hypotenuse is sine theta. Next, adjacent by hypotenuse is cos theta. And the next one is opposite by adjacent is tan theta. So for that, if we know the angle, okay, see this is angle of elevation. If you know the angle, for example, if the tree is there, if you know the top of the tree, that angle, okay, if you know the elevation of the tree, at the same time that adjacent side we can consider a shadow. If you know the angle, elevation and shadow, easily you can find out the height of the tree. Okay, so we will discuss later with the example about this one. So let's see, if you know the sine, cos, tan, easily you can find out that remaining three. So this is cosecant theta, cosecant, so short form here to CSU theta, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta means hypotenuse by opposite. So the cosecant theta is inverse of sine theta. So see this, opposite by hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse by opposite. Okay, and the next one is secant theta. So it is called secant theta. So its ratio between hypotenuse and adjacent. So this is inverse of cos theta. And the last one, cot theta, cotangent theta. Okay, cotangent. So short form is cot. So cot theta is the ratio between adjacent by opposite. So see here, adjacent by opposite. So that is inverse of tangent theta. If you know these three ratios, okay, sine, cos, tan, easily you can find out that cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Actually cosecant is inverse of sine, secant theta is inverse of cos theta, cot theta is inverse of tan theta. Students, I hope you all understood this concept. Students, let's discuss the opposites of trigonometric ratios. Already we discussed sin theta equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Okay, then cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. So sin and cosecant, these two are inverse. At the same time, cos theta equal to 1 by secant theta, and the secant is 1 by cos. So secant is inverse of cos, cos is inverse of secant. At the same time, tan theta is 1 by cot theta, and cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Cot is inverse of tan theta. And one more thing, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So already we know that sin theta, sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay, so the ratio of sin theta and cos theta is tan theta, because opposite by hypotenuse divided by adjacent a by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse will be cancelled, so the remaining opposite by adjacent. So opposite by adjacent is tan theta. Okay, so the tan theta is ratio between sin theta and cos theta. So already we know that cot theta is inverse of tan theta. So sin theta by cos theta, we can take cos theta by sin theta. So students, keep it in your mind, sin inverse is cosecant, and cosecant inverse is sin, and cos inverse is secant, secant inverse is cos theta, and the tan inverse is cot theta, cot inverse is tan theta. At the same time, the tan theta is ratio between sin and cos theta, and the cot theta is ratio between cos and sin theta. Students, I hope you all understood this concept. Thank you.